Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Hey, there we go. We got a little squirrel. Squirrels just started coming out. Put the food out at 4 o'clock, but it was dead silent out here. Must have been a hawk or somebody planted in a tree. Because nobody was out, not even the birds, and that's when you can tell.
We got a baby living in the house.
Over there? Yeah.
One of the young squirrels.
We got a little baby living in that squirrel house, like I
Probably
said.
sleeping.
We got it all. I see the stuff in there.
Yeah, I
Packed
watched them
in there.
climb in yesterday.
One of the babies. It's a nice ready-made house, so it's Friday. It's maybe 44 degrees. But the sun is not too bad. Hopefully the weather starts warming up. I said it's supposed to over the weekend. But we have had a 2-week Arctic blast here. We don't ever stay consistently in the teens and 20s like we have. Well, we just restocked. We got more peanuts today at BJ's. We got some walnut pieces. We got pecans. And we are good. Squirrels are happy. We are doing good. We're at about 2,757 hours. So need about 240 more watch time hours to reach the first level in the YouTube monetization. That's what it is, monetization. So hopefully, maybe the pace, first week of February, we can hit it. And watch time doesn't go by my shorts. See, my shorts got a lot of hours watched, but it's not the shorts, it's the videos that the people have to watch. These long videos. So if you're home doing nothing, just throw on my channel, hit play mix, let it run for a few hours. You'll be helping us tremendously. Hey, don't fight, guys. Oh, they're fighting over there. These young ones are rambunctious. And you just let it play for your cats or whatever. Our cats love it. Put it on the big screen, and they get to watch the squirrels like they're watching out the window. Yeah, so if you guys got some time home and you could throw on the channel and just hit play mix, let it play for a few hours, we would appreciate it. It would help us tremendously. Try to get to our goal of ultimately getting to 4,000 hours, but we got to hit the 3,000 first. And that's the one we should be hitting. I'd say maybe 2 weeks or so. We'll see what happens. Who knows? That's going to be a lot of fun just trying to figure out all that stuff. To see with my computer not really working that well. I got to do everything from the phone. And I'm not sure you can do everything from the phone. So again, like I said, that's going to be interesting. I may have to get my tablet for that. I have to get a charger for the tablet. But nice quiet evening. Friday, almost 5 o'clock or so. little barrage of squirrels, but they haven't been coming out in droves in the evening. In the morning times is when they've been coming out, and it's been too cold for me to be out here videoing. My wife, yeah, my wife's the brave one. She's out here changing their water, putting out all the food, and it's like 12 degrees. She does have the big fluffy robe and hoodie and snow boots and all of that. I'm a little hard-headed. I don't buy anything heavy to wear, so it's and surprisingly, I just don't seem to be doing good in the cold. I used to laugh at the cold weather down here, saying I was from New York. Maybe it's an age thing, or maybe I've been here now 18 years. That actually 19 years, April 1st. Maybe I've been indoctrinated into the southern weather. I'm used to 50-degree winter times. You find yourself something? No more pecan stuff? You want to come over?
Come on, Sweet Pea.
Sweet Pea. Come on. Mama got you.
Get it?
Yeah.
Sweet Pea. Oh, pretty girl.
There it goes. Sweet Pea. Oh, got it. There she goes. Hop along. Alright. Oh, I'm cutting off anyway. Alright, guys. Just a little quick check-in from the Potent Zone compound in Squirrel Land. Squirrels are good. They've survived this winter storm. These 2 winter storms. So hopefully that's the last of it. I'll make sure I get a good early morning video over the weekend. I'm gonna have to bundle up, put on a thermal. I actually found a thermal, so I do have 1 thermal carryover from New York. All right, everybody have a great weekend. There she is, see, filling up the seeds.